Hi, my name is Kevin Morgan with Nautical Yacht Group. We're here on our 2022 Sunseeker 55 Manhattan Cesaria. On the starboard side, we have the helm, complete with two Simrad screens, our FLIR controller, joystick control, Seakeeper, as well as our smart hub. Port side, we have a full U-shaped seating, as well as an ottoman that you can move and bring here to get seating completely around the table. We have satellite TV throughout the boat and a Blu-ray DVD player. Coming aft to the galley, we have 4 identical refrigerators and a wine cooler, which is great for entertaining. Big bar top here, convection oven, 4-burner cooktop and sink. We also have a dishwasher and storage throughout. Another great feature of this boat is the window that comes down in the back to open up into an alfresco bar. A few steps down from the salon, we have the VIP stateroom complete with a full-size berth, as well as a flat screen TV, hanging lockers on both sides, overhead skylight that doubles as an escape hatch. Here in the master stateroom, we have flat screen TV with soundbar, ensuite head, full-size queen berth, settee to the starboard side. On the port side, we have plenty of storage with drawers, as well as an owner safe with a hanging locker here and storage shelves right as you walk in. Here in the third stateroom on the starboard side, we have 2 twin berths, as well as a flat screen TV and a large window letting in plenty of natural light. Coming up to our flybridge, we have an electronic sunroof to open the boat up, or we also have a large aft shade that can be brought out to shade the entire flybridge. The electronics at the helm are very similar to the downstairs station, with 2 Simrad screens, FLIR controller, as well as joystick. In front of the helm is a large sun pad, and to the port side you will find large U-shaped seating to be able to relax. Directly behind that is a large bar with bottle storage, ice maker, and fridge. And to the aft of the flybridge, you will find large U-shaped seating with teak table that can be folded up for cocktails or extended for dining. In the cockpit, you'll find large U-shaped seating for 6, 2 bar stools for the alfresco bar, as well as a wing station located on the port side. Moving down to the hydraulic swim platform, you'll find our 2022 AB Jet 330, as well as our grill, seating, access to crew quarters, and shower. Located in the engine room, you have twin Volvo D13 800s, our Seakeeper, and Cummins Omen generator. The engine room is also oversized with easy access to all major systems on it. Thank you for joining Nautical Yacht Group today on our 2022 Sunseeker 55 Manhattan Cesaria. Please feel free to reach out to me directly at 954-604-8199 or my email, which is kevinm@nauticalyyachtgroup.com.